Hey, what is up with you guys? What is up, intelligent people or so? So, as of the title of the video and the thumbnail, we're gonna be talking about how to find stocks that you can day trade using this Finviz.com screener. As easy as that. So, let's just get straight into it. Okay, this video will not be that long at all, or you can see basically how long the video is in the bottom right corner. So, let's just get straight into it. First of all, you want to like what you want to do is go on Finviz.com. Then after that, you're gonna go on screener. Bam, you just click on that. After that, you're gonna be like taken out to this window right here, finviz.com/screener.ashx. Okay, after that, you're just gonna go. I mean, like this is just personally like what I do. I just go, I don't analyze through these windows right here from the descriptive, the fundamental, and the technical window. I don't know go through that. I only go through the all, okay, right here. And of course, it will be easier for you guys. And then, not like at the end of the video, you can go ahead, screenshot the screener, and use it whenever the fuck you want. So, first of all, what are we gonna do is go on market cap or market capitalization. So, what are we gonna be looking for? That will be the small sector, okay, or from 300 million to 2 billion market capitalization. What does the market capitalization mean? So just keep in mind that through everything that I go, okay, I will be explaining you what am I feeling, okay. I will not be just showing you what to feel and how to do that. I will be just explaining you like what am I doing. So what does the market capitalization mean? It says that it equals to the total dollar market value of all of a company's outstanding shares. As easy as that. After that, we want the price. So if I really want to like capitalize and kind of day trade stocks, I'm going to be looking for stocks that are under 20 or 10 bucks. So let's go with under 10. Okay. In this case, let's just go with under 10. You can do whatever the hell you want. Again, you can also go under 15 or so. But the next thing that, or like, if you don't know, bro, what the price is basically, like how cheap or how expensive the stock is, the current stock price, just like that. So after that, overall, like again, like we're gonna be filling 5 filters. It will not be that like it will be as easy as that. So then the next thing that I'm gonna be filling will be the average volume. What does the average volume mean? Average volume is just uh, the average amount of shares in a stock traded that day. Okay, so for example, yesterday was Monday. You could be watching this video like 3 years from now, but what I personally like to do is just go and click over 300 to 400k, sometimes even 500 and over a million. But in this case, we're gonna go with over 300k. So we really want the stock to be tradable. Okay, we really want it to be liquid and the volatility to be on point, just like that. Then we have the RVO or relative volume. It's basically a ratio between the current volume and the 3-month average intraday adjusted. What does that mean? If the RVOL or the relative volume, you can also basically just go right here and type in RVOL in the stock market, and basically it will just say what does RVOL mean in the stocks? Mean in stocks? I mean, it's a dumbass question, but no, the question is cool, but yeah, relative volume, oftentimes called RVOL, is an indicator that tells traders how the current trading volume is compared to the past trading volume over a given period. How can I find RVOL? So here we have a lot of like questions going on. We could basically go on images right here. No, not on finances, bro, but on images. So just go back, go on images. This is how the RVOL looks like relative volume. This is the volume, the RVOL. Basically the same thing right here. We have also the MAs overall. So yeah, it just shows you, and for the relative volume, like we just want it to be over 1.5. So over 1.5, then the average. Okay, so times the average times 1.5, this will give you the RVOL, and as you see right now, we're left with only 72 stocks at this point. And the last thing that we're going to be filling will be the float. What does the float mean? Well, actually, you know what? I think that I did manage to solve this question right here. Um, yeah. What is stocks float? Let's see. Yeah, we actually found the question, and it says, "What is stocks float?" Like, what is a floating stock? Floating stock is the number of shares available for trading of a particular stock. So, what number of of a shares do we want to stock? So, what amount of shares do we want is for a stock to be traded? We just want here to fill up under 20 million. Okay, why under 20 million? Because we don't want the number to be too high. If the stock is we have around 220 million, below 20 million shares that can be traded, pretty cool. And as you can see right now, we're only left with three potential um, stocks that we can then day trade. But yeah, I mean, this is the filter. You can basically go ahead and screenshot this. But if you want to find more, you can just go over here and click over one. We're gonna left with only four. This does look good right here. As you see, it is in a continuous downtrend, but you can kind of find a breakout, the 52-week high. After it breaks it out, you can go ahead and find it out like for yourself. I'm not here to kind of teach you how to day trade, and so but I can absolutely do like make video about it. But yeah, that's about it. You can go ahead and screenshot this. You can basically play with the numbers like how you want them. So what yeah, that's about it for today. So peace out. Have a great day for the rest of your day, and bye.